Are you ready? EUROSAF Champions League 2025 within the Alpe Adria Sailing Week.
Yeah, so we had a really tough competition here, many strong teams which we know from many years, and of course really nice battles. Yeah, this format I really liked it.
We have had a really good weekend here in Punat in Croatia, and of course it's not like home in the Baltic Sea in Finland. Quick and easy, convenient getting down to the venue here, and likewise going home. We'll be back home by Monday in the office, so happy smiles, good regatta with wins and good training for us, and quite convenient as well, so we really enjoyed it.
So, number 3 in the EUROSAF Champions League 2025 qualifier in Punat is Burgenländischer Yachtclub. Congratulations!
We liked it a lot. Thanks for organizing it. It was a fantastic event. Thanks a lot.
The second place in results is made by Union Yacht Club Wörthersee. Congratulations to the guys of Union Yacht Club Wörthersee. And the winner is the Swiss guys from Segel Club Stefan. Come to the stage with a big applause for the number 1 America.
Lastly, I want to really thank the cooks on the boat. For me, having lunch on the sea in Croatia and Punat is really fucking amazing. Yeah, thank you.